Hello viewer, we are going to generate the design on that surface. We can write anything. So we can generate any shape on that surface. So let's generate by using the eraser tool. Make some more designs, and also we will have some shapes. So there it is. We can change the layer style by using that designs. So there we have a lot of options there. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.